Om Shanti. Nature functions through vibrations. When so many souls are sending good vibrations to the nature, why does it take such a long time to see the result of it? Brahma Baba said, it takes time to see the result. When a child is small, he makes mistakes. The mother teaches him, he falls, the mother picks him up. She tries to make him understand the right things when he grows up. It is not that all children do this. The mother has some good and sensible children too. But when a child is sad, he becomes destructive. Mother tolerates everything patiently just for the sake of the other good children. Because these children are instrumental for making everyone in the world to recognize the Father. All kinds of vibrations are reaching to the nature. Nowadays, majority of vibrations is of pain. Most of the people cannot identify the real form of God. They consider deities to be God and plead with them. Some are united with somebody in devotion. Some are united with someone due to power. But not many know the actual creator of the creation. As long as the nature does not make the creator evident to the whole world, the creation will not change for the better. The old painful world will be destroyed when everyone in the world recognizes the Father. Both the incidents will happen simultaneously. Then everyone in this world will say, my Father has come. After that, Shri Krishna will be born. It is a cycle. It will happen very soon. So someone asked, Baba, sometime ago, Shiv Baba said that nature is the mother and Paramatma, the Supreme Soul, is the father of the creation. If the mother is disregarded, the father becomes a witness and does not interfere. In that case, punishment will be very severe. At this, Baba said that this matter is very deep. Ask Brahma Baba for explanation. So Brahma Baba said, nature has been disregarded every day. 5 elements has been disregarded every day. What is nature? Our body is made up of nature. The soul resides in it. One form of nature, human beings, one form of nature is destroying the other form of nature. Nature has been tortured by humans. When a child cannot feel the pain of the mother, how can he feel the father's pain? Nature has been treated as a maid. A mother serves her child as a maid only. When the child cries, she feeds him milk, cleans him up, runs after the child like a maid, because she has been named a servant. People actually started treating her as a servant. In the golden age, the nature will be like a mother. Now she is very angry because she has been tortured too much. Acha, Om Shanti.